One of the ways of doing that is to pulling the fuel relay or the fuel fuse while the truck is running. The engine will run out of fuel and turn off. And that way you know all the fuel rail is empty of pressure, not so much fuel. There'll still be some residual fuel. Taking a look at the fuse box, the fuel pump fuse is number 20. That's right here, right next to the fuel pump relay. So we want to go look in that area. Well, if your truck's like mine, you don't have that fuse or that relay. So what do you do then? The next thing you want to do is look at number 21 right here. That would be the fuel system control module fuse. Removing that fuse will discharge the fuel system. Okay, the engine's running and we're going to pull that fuse. There we go. Should be depressurized now.